As the golden hour bathes the savanna, the solitary sable antelope keeps a watchful eye, its glossy coat dusted by the dry earth.
The Francois langur is native to the limestone karst regions of China and Vietnam. Here, the wolf spider is a master of camouflage, its mottled brown body blending seamlessly with the dry leaves and soil.
Resting by the marsh, the African openbill uses its specialized beak to handle the slippery snails that form its diet.
A resilient scavenger of the plains, the solitary jackal waits patiently in the dry, dusty wind.
The pied avocet, with its distinctive upturned beak, sweeps the shallow waters of the lagoon for small crustaceans.
The lion-tailed macaque, endemic to the Western Ghats, rarely descends to the forest floor.
During the golden hour, the saddle-billed stork patiently forages in the shallows, its distinctive colors gleaming in the warm light.
The Bengal tiger, a solitary hunter, waits patiently beneath the dense canopy. The mountain gorilla, a majestic creature of the dense African rainforest, spends its days foraging for leaves.
Here in the deep shade of the forest, the bear finds respite from the summer heat, its senses alert to every scent.
In the unforgiving heat of the savanna, the cheetah pants rapidly to cool its body.
The Indian rhinoceros, characterized by its distinctive armor-plated skin and single horn, thrives in
Bathed in the warm glow of the late afternoon sun, the roseate spoonbill dips its unique bill into the water, filtering for small aquatic organisms.
Here in the coastal zone, the green sea turtle finds refuge among the seagrass, its shell adorned with traces of algae.
The golden eagle, master of these high altitudes, endures the rushing wind with unmatched resilience.
The desert tortoise, Gopherus agassizii, faces extreme conditions, relying on its protective shell and efficient water retention.
A master of camouflage, the anaconda waits patiently beneath the surface, its scales glistening in the dappled light.
The cormorant, a master diver, often dries its unique wettable feathers in the morning sun.
The springbok, an icon of the savanna, must remain constantly vigilant. Every sense.
The river cooter, identifiable by its unique patterned shell and traces of algae, maneuvers slowly through the sub.
The striped hyena, often misunderstood, is primarily a scavenger. As dusk settles over the savanna,
The magnificent woodland caribou endures the deep winter, its thick coat and specialized...
The European wildcat, a master of camouflage, waits patiently in the cool dusk air, ready to strike its unsuspecting prey.
one of the rarest mammals on Earth, the Javan rhinoceros sports armor-like folds of skin.
The Sumatran tiger, a solitary hunter, navigates the dense, humid lowland forests. Its
Under the overcast sky, this small group seeks respite from the relentless sun, conserving energy for the journey ahead.
The Eurasian wolf relies on its keen sense of smell to navigate the dense morning forest.
The leafcutter ant carries a fragment many times its weight, a testament to the power of this rainforest architect.
Bathed in the late afternoon sun, the iridescent shell of the jewel beetle displays a mesmerizing array of greens and blues.
Despite their fearsome call, the howler is a calm resident of the mid-canopy, breathing slowly in the dappled light.
The solitary Eurasian lynx its thick spotted fur glistening with frost in the soft morning light, surveys the snowy forest.
The scarlet macaw often visits these clay lakes along the river, seeking vital nutrients in the late afternoon sun.
The vervet monkey, coated in dust from the dry earth, relies on these exposed root systems for shelter and sustenance during the day.
The African ostrich, the largest living bird, is well adapted to these arid plains.
Filtered light illuminates the vibrant colors of the great hornbill, revealing the intricate textures of its distinctive casque and beak.
Here in the windswept Patagonian steppes, the mara forages for the tough grasses that sustain it.
Standing solitary against the elements, the camel chews its cud.
Covered in a thick coat of wet mud, the massive hippopotamus seeks refuge at the riverbank as the afternoon draws to a close.
Found only in the high-altitude, humid mountain forests, the golden snub-nosed,
characterized by their long, reddish fur, the Bornean orangutan is the largest tree-dwelling animal in the world.
The purple wool heron, often mistaken for the grey, prefers the dense vegetation of the wetland.
The white-handed gibbon, seen here in the upper canopy, relies on the dense rainforest for survival.
With its striking black and white plumage, the avocet uses its unique upturned beak to sweep.
The distinctive proboscis monkey, characterized by its unusually large nose, rests amidst the dense humidity of the mangrove forest.
High in the dense canopy, the red-shanked duke meticulously grooms itself, before settling in for a meal of tender leaves.
With the arrival of the golden hour, the warthog snuffles the dry earth, ever vigilant for both food and danger. The dung beetle, with its glossy, dark shell, pauses beside its prize in the harsh midday sun.
Here on the great bustard stands firm.
The magnificent African eland, the largest of the antelopes, surveys its territory in the soft morning light.
The plains waterbuck, recognizable by the white ring on its rump, prefers the cover of the marsh during the golden hour.
Using its specialized beak, the spoonbill sifts through the muddy water, sweeping side to side in search of small aquatic life.
This stunning insect, the jewel wasp, uses the soft morning light to its advantage.